Hey, what's going on, y'all? Check it out. I got contacted by some folks, the folks from Meatstick, and they sent me the Meatstick MiniX, y'all. This is basically a meat probe, so you know what the internal temperature of your meat is. Now, we're gonna check this device out, and hey, if you're interested in it, I will put a link down below that'll send you straight to the website so you can get your own, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it.
Oh yeah, don't forget to give me the LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. So here's our meat stick. Now this here is just showing you that it has an app that you can hook it up to your phone. You can hook it up to your Wi-Fi also to extend the range. So let's go ahead and open this up. Check it out, y'all. No wires, no nothing. Gotta love that. Yeah, very well built. Now this tag here is letting you know that you shouldn't have the meat stick face down where it's touching the pan. It could damage it. So here's our mountain, our home. So let's go ahead and put our batteries in. Now it takes 2 AA's. Once we get those in, we can go ahead and put our meat stick back on and we can begin charging it. Now it says before using you should charge it for at least 4 hours. So I'll see y'all in about 4 hours and we can start our cook. Now this is what we're gonna be cooking today. I picked this up from, I don't know, Snooks, one of them. And it's already pre-seasoned. So we're gonna start off by setting our oven to broil. Just so we can get a little color. And we've got our meat stick in and our probe from our oven. Now our oven is reading 60 degrees, our meat stick is reading 63. So let's go ahead and get it into our oven. And let's get this cooker going, y'all. Now after about a good 3 minutes under the broiler, we're just gonna check, see what our color is looking like. Yes, we're browning up pretty good. And we're gonna go ahead and turn our oven down to 300 degrees and finish out our cook. So our probe is reading 140, saying the cook is done. But our other probe is only reading 132. That's okay. Let's see which one's right, y'all. So let's take it on out. And we're gonna sit here and we're gonna let this meat rest. Now our probe says that it's ready to cut, y'all. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's pull our meat stick out. And of course, our other probe. And let's go ahead and slice into this bad boy, because I already know it's gonna be tasty. Oh yeah, y'all, like butter. Like butter. Look at that there pork glowing, y'all. Don't it look tasty? Oh yeah. I believe the meat stick did a wonderful job. It was more accurate than the probe that came with my air fryer. And hey, let's go ahead and give this a taste. And of course, we know it's good. We already know it's good. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.